Happy Halloween, Frugal friends. Welcome, welcome. To bring you along today for not only the tour of the front yard in all of its Halloween magical glory, but also for the activities, the crafting, upcycling, different projects that we have been doing over the last few weeks. Some of them this week, I think we started at the beginning of October doing just, one or two different things a week, and we're going to bring you along for those as well. Most of what we did as far as our little projects and crafts supplied with dumpster salvage treasures. Little bit here and there that we had to pay for, but most of it from the bins. Come along, let's go see.
We did so many chores and have rewarded ourselves by opening up this dumpster salvaged, hold on, Wilton Halloween house, a chocolate cookie house kit. Also got out a bunch of these other dumpster decorations that I found at the Zurcher's store last year. All these fun sprinkles. There's like little bones and skulls and this green slime. We're using all of these. There's like bats, or no, these ones are witches, brooms, and hats, but there's also bats. And we are having so much fun. All these little candy eyes, those were from the bins too. And Olivia painted our faces.
Yeah.
Super cool.
Show yours, Mommy.
Oh, here's mine.
Mama's a zombie.
Yeah.
I'm a creeper. Look, I put some on the spoon.
Ooh.
Mom, is this side covered?
Not completely. All right, today's project is this puzzle. It's a 3D puzzle, romantic cabin. We found it in the Zurcher's bin last weekend. And now that we've gotten, flip it over some. Thank you. Now that we've gotten some chores done, we are going to bust this open and see if we can put it together. So it's got 4 different sheets of pieces. So if you guys will start popping the pieces out, we can try putting it together. All right, we worked as a little team trio. There was a little bit of fighting, a little bit of frustration. It is not perfect, but it is perfect for us. Hold on, let them see. And we're in love with it. Today's dumpster Halloween family crafting project is decorating these funky little pumpkins. We got regular pumpkins that we'll carve closer to Halloween, but today we are gathering up all of these fabulous dumpster salvaged supplies, all kinds of things. Look at these awesome little glow-in-the-dark worms, or like maggot things, and sparkly stuff, and stickers, and fabric, and gems, and I don't even know what else. And a crown, and glue, all from the bins. Our little funny pumpkins are done. There is Mimi's.
Yay.
There is Reagan's. I love that his has these funny growths on the bottom. So cool. And then this one is Olivia's. And this fancy lady is Mommy's. We had so much fun. That was awesome. On to our next project.
All right, the kids got the table cleaned off. They brought in the pumpkins. They laid down the fabulous dumpster tablecloth that we use for messy projects. Reagan is using a dumpster Sharpie to start drawing a design on his pumpkin. Over here, one of you fabulous frugal friends sent this gift to us, and we will be using it. Please, if you're watching, remind me in the video description if it was you that sent us this. Thank you so much. P.S. Our P.O. Box address is in the video description. Also, we collect spoons and postcards and magnets. Oh, and keychains. Those are downstairs on the keychain board. Anywho, then we have this that we picked up at the store. It comes with stencils that you can use, which is pretty awesome. So we are going to jump in. And
pumpkin this year.
And Olivia gets to carve her own pumpkin. It looks like it needs to be cleaned off a little bit, unless you want to leave that on. That's some good fun texture. Ooh, and Mimi, awesome. Mimi's has a web on it.
Like underneath.
Ooh, even better. So exciting. All right, let's do this. Who has been having fun?
And I'm making a little face on the side.
We have been having so much fun. I'm using some dumpster toothpicks, this
And
pack of
candles.
toothpicks. And you might remember these tea lights that we found in the bins. The package was open. And so we grabbed these and as many as we could that were dumped around. And so we're using these for our pumpkins. So they're all coming along. I'll show you the final products when they're all done. This is the one I did with the stencil, but I used the toothpicks and stuck in some of the cutout parts so that when it's lit up, it'll do like shadows and fun stuff. And then this is the one I'm making for James, for Daddy. You can't really tell right now, but it's a bike. And I didn't have a stencil, but I looked at one on Google and just kind of drew it on here along with some flames that I think are kind of fun. And then I stuck on some of the cutout pieces. And now I'm gonna stick the lid on with the dumpster toothpicks. And I'll be pretty much done with this one, I think. And we're having fun, huh guys? Because Halloween is awesome. And Olivia toasted pumpkin seeds. They smell amazing. Holy cow. Again, another time that I wish we had smeller vision because the kids and I have worked very hard doing chores and we were all pretty darn tired, but decided to still go ahead and make sugar cookies with these awesome cookie cutters that we found brand new, unopened in the Zurcher's bins. They're a Wilton brand mini cookie cutters, and there's all kinds of fun. I guess that's like a ghost, maybe.
Yeah.
And
No, that's a moon.
oh, a moon. Sorry,
That's
and
a
that's
cat.
a,
There's the head. This is a pumpkin. What's this?
that's a cat
That's
somehow.
a ghost. This is the ghost.
Okay.
This is a pumpkin. Oh, this
That's a
isn't
pumpkin.
Yeah. That's a skull. Oh yeah.
Okay, that's
You
a
have it on
skull,
ghost.
and
There's
that.
the head. There's the two arms and then the little tail.
Oh. Anywho, they're going to get all of those cut out and baked, and then we will use a bunch of dumpster,
This one got
Zurcher's dumpster supplies, a whole bunch of like gel and sprinkles galore.
There's also a bat.
Ooh, awesome. That were brand new packages that we found in the bins last year. So, awesome.
I'm showing you that.
And we're going to see if we can do this without fighting. That's going to be tricky at this point where some of us are sick and we're all very tired. We're going to do the best we can because it's Halloween and you're supposed to be having fun. So the cookies have been baked and they are quite small, which is not a surprise because they're teeny tiny little cutters that we used. We have all of these awesome sprinkles. Sprinkles galore. We did have to buy the frosting, darn it. But other than that, okay, yeah, we paid for the stuff to make the cookies, but the cookie cutters were free, as were all these fabulous decorations.
Right here.
Yeah, that I think is a skull. Kind of looks like a pumpkin.
Oh yeah.
I don't know if there is a skull.
There is. I only have one.
Oh, there's one right there.
But I need another.
Maybe look on the ones that are cooling.
The very last of the holiday festivities, activities, whatever that you want to call them, that I am doing for the kids is letting them pick their own special Halloween lunch bag. I wish I would have thought about it sooner and gotten these down and they could have been using them for their lunches like all week. But that is okay because we can use more next year, you know. Well, see, Olivia picked this, and Reagan picked this, and sorry. Olivia picked this, Mimi picked this, and Reagan picked this. So that is that. We will have those for their lunches tomorrow.
And now, frugal friends, join us, if you dare, on a little tour of this dumpster diver's Halloween yard display. Happy Halloween.